Good morning, State Grade, and welcome to the Dream Factor News. It's your host, Gracie Burgess.
And Kimberly Loiza.
This week we'll be talking about the dress code, World Kindness Day, World Eleven, and Substitute Teachers Day.
Seager Junior High School's mission is to provide a community of support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You may now be seated, and now for the moment of silence.
Moving on with the weather with Cece.
Thanks, Kimberly and Gracie. This week's weather will be cooler than last week. Make sure you bring a jacket to school. Monday will be 66 degrees, Tuesday will be 69, Wednesday will be 70, Thursday will be 74, and Friday will be 67 degrees. It may rain on Thursday morning. Back to you, Kimberly and Gracie.
Friday is Substitute Teacher Day. If you have a sub this week, be sure to thank them for all their hard work.
This event occurs the Friday before Thanksgiving each year and highlights the important roles of substitute teachers in education.
How can people make your job easier?
If they would just follow the rules, if teachers and substitutes would follow the same rules.
And how do you like your job?
Oh, I love working for Mr. Hunter because he's a teacher who cares about his students and he does what he's supposed to do, and that makes my job easier.
What can make your job easier?
I think if teachers was on the same page for as like some discipline techniques, I think that would make it a lot easier for like substitute teachers.
And how do you like your job?
I love what I do. I love being involved in different children's lives. As teachers, we wear more than one hat other than teachers. Sometimes we're therapists, sometimes we're mothers, counselors, and things like that. So I love being able to get interpersonal with different students. So I like what I do. It's fulfilling.
Thank you.
The event occurs the Friday before Thanksgiving and it highlights the important role substitute teachers play in our education.
1.
Happy Substitute Teacher Day.
Happy Substitute Teacher Day.
Happy Substitute Teachers Day.
Happy Substitute Teachers Day.
1.
Happy Substitute Teachers Day.
Next week is Thanksgiving break. Don't forget we don't have school. Enjoy your time off.
We'll see you next week, State Grade. This is Gracie and Kimberly signing off.